Form 4 at Maths, past years, SPM. This is SPM 2011, topic linear law. Step 1, collect. The variables x and y are related by equation 3y equals p minus 1 brackets x plus 12 over x, where p is a constant. Next, the diagram 12 shows a straight line QR obtained by plotting xy against x squared. We are given a straight line QR, therefore we go to the straight line QR and complete the diagram. The xy is the capital Y, the x square is the capital X, and the y-intercept C is the y coordinate of the point R. The C, the y-intercept is the y coordinate of point R, therefore the C is 60. Now we look at the question part A. What is it asking? Express the given equation, which is 3y equals p minus 1x plus 12 over x, in linear form. As usual, we always start from what they ask. They are asking linear form. We start with the linear form. Capital Y equals m capital X plus c. So the non-linear, if we were given non-linear equation of the 3y equals p minus 1x plus 12 over x. This non-linear equation, we must change it to linear equation, capital Y mx plus c. How? Capital Y, I go to the capital Y, which is xy. So capital Y, I go to the capital Y, which is xy. But here, we only have y. So this y, to change it to xy, I multiply each term by x. Therefore, 3y, I multiply by x, I'm going to get 3xy. And then, p minus 1x multiplied by x, the x and x becomes x squared, which is p minus 1x squared. Next, plus 12 over x, I multiply by x. Of course, if I multiply by x, this x and this x can cancel. We are left with plus 12. Again, this is not enough. If you look at the capital Y, is xy. We have already got our xy, but there's a 3, which means each term I'm going to divide by 3. Okay? So 3xy divided by 3, I just get xy, the 3 cancel. And then p minus 1 divided by 3, p minus 1 over 3. The x square, I just copy back. And finally, the 12 divided by 3, I'm going to get 4, which means we have already got our answer, the linear form, xy equals p minus 1 over 3 x squared plus 4. So we have got answer. Now before we proceed to the part B, let us compare the one we got with the formula of the linear law, capital Y mx plus c. This will be useful for part B. If you look here, that the capital Y was xy, the capital X is x squared, which means the gradient m is p minus 1 over 3. Gradient m is p minus 1 over 3. And the c, y-intercept, must be 4. The c, y-intercept is 4. we shall use these things, that the gradient and the C, for the later part B. What is the later part asking? We watched. B, given that the gradient of QR is negative 2, we are given, I collect here, the gradient of QR is negative 2. I'm collecting what they give. Question, find the value of P and T. Here, I put here. Find the value of P and T. So I have collected what they give and what they ask. Okay? As usual, we start from what they ask. They asking P. I go to the information involving P. They asking P. I go to information involving P, which was this. M equals to P minus 1 over 3. Over here I put. M equals to P minus 1 over 3. And we are already given that the gradient M is negative 2. All we have to do now, solve this equation. That's all. 3 transfer become times 3. So that will be 2 times negative 3, which is negative 6. And then we have on the left hand side P minus 1. So minus 1 transfer becomes plus 1. Therefore, P equals to negative 6 plus 1, which is P negative 5. We got the first answer. Now for the second part, T, I use the information involving 3. This is from the graph. T, I go to T, which is C equals to 60. This got from the graph. C equals to 60. And we know that the C, we already have the C. We already have the C over here, which I collected the early part. You see? The C is 4. So I'm going to replace C is 4. So this C, I'm replacing it with 4. Therefore, 4 equals to 60. Transfer the 6 on the left hand side. I have T equals to 4 over 6. Simplify, divide by 2, divide by 2. Therefore, the T is 2 over 3. Our next answer. So I have completed the question. Thank you. I see you on